What's going on, YouTube? Today I'm going to be doing a part 2 for my Balloons Tower Defense 5. I'm going to do a part 2 for my monkey challenge. I haven't played it since my last video, so I'm going to play it now. Balloons Tower Defense 5. Alright. Always open up my chest. Another spike factory. Ooh. Guess that's pretty good. Resume game. Alright. So, let's get started. Just like that. Alright. I got it from here. I'm gonna put a whatever his name is right here. Juggernaut. Alright, let's just see how far we can go. I'm trying to beat medium. Alright. So let's just get the show on the road, shall we? After a great start. 3 Moabs? No problem. Oh shit, I wasted it. I'm gonna put this here. This is easy. I'm just gonna see how long I can go for. I might die this episode. I might even beat it this episode. I don't know. I'm just doing this for fun. So yeah. But yeah, don't forget to leave a comment of what game you want me to play. Mobile game. Alright? Just leave a comment and I'll get back to you. I'll reply telling you if I'll do it or not. I'll most likely do it unless the game's like $10.99 because I don't want to spend that much money on an iTunes game. Oh, and my Call of Duty Zombies video didn't upload, but I got pretty high. I got to around like 60. But it didn't upload. It said cannot download, and I lost all of the footage. So that sucks. $20. So that sucks. Oh, I'm going to use this for him. Just all of us take him out. Pussy. Alright. Alright. Let's do this. Oh. I think this is the end. No, I didn't lose a single heart of damage yet. That's pretty good. Oh, wait, never mind. I need $8,000. 8,000. Alright. Let's do this. It's all peaceful right now. Yeah, I think I might be able to beat it this episode. Hopefully. Alright, I can't buy him. So I'm saving up for $8,000, YouTube. And then I'm going to buy this. Hopefully I can beat it, this thing. I'm going to be trying to do daily videos, but I can't promise anything. So far, the schedule has been daily, but it might get to a point where it can't be daily. Alright, so yeah. I might just play until I die. I don't know. Hopefully I can. Oh, there's 2 of those guys. I'm gonna use one of these. Alright. Alright, I beat the challenge, but 2 videos is kind of short. I don't really want to cut it short now, so I might just keep going. Just for a bit. Until I die. I'm still continuing with the challenge, don't worry. It's just, I'm going to be doing this now. I'm going to try to get all super monkeys. I'm going to try to fill up the board with super monkeys. So, if you don't want to see any more free play, you can just end the video like now because I'm done the challenge. You're not going to miss anything. But if you're into Bloons Tower Defense, you can stay and watch. I don't really care. Yeah. Thank you for almost 20 views on my first video, by the way. Thanks. Yeah. But I don't really know how my upload schedule is gonna go because I got school. But I'm gonna try to do daily. I'm gonna really try. Okay.
I gotta just bring up the garbage, clean my room, feed my dogs.
I'm gonna get to 75 and then I'm gonna end this video. Unless I die.
Me and Brady gets $20 each.
Yeah, 75 is a good time to end it because I started 50. That's 20 something. Let's take out this guy. Friggin' pussy. Alright. 73. 2 more rounds to go, guys. And girls. Alright, 1 more round. Oh, right. Almost forgot. And apologize if I'm not as talkative today. I'm just, I don't know. Oh, I'll beat 75 and then that's a good time to call it short.
I just got lucky.
So yeah.
My thing glitched out.
Attack! Everyone charge. Or I'll just waste another super monkey because why the hell not? Alright.
2,600 points.
Well, save and exit. Yes, I know. Okay, YouTube. That's a good time to end this video short. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Sorry if this video was a little short. It's just, I don't know, I gotta go out and do something now. So, yeah, expect to see an upload tomorrow. Don't forget, leave a like or comment. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget that. But comment on any games you want me to play because I'm running out of ideas here. I'm running out of ideas. Alright, so, peace.